Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Parks and Pizza. It's getting hot already. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning, but it's so hot, so I'm gonna make this video real fast. This video is a review of Whole Foods pasta sauce, tomato and mascarpone. It looks delicious. I can't wait to test it out. Let me get my readers out. It's a Whole Foods Market pasta sauce, tomato and mascarpone. This sauce is made in Italy. Premium pasta sauce made with Italian tomatoes and creamy mascarpone cheese. It says imported from Italy. It looks delicious. Look at that. Look at that sauce. Look at that sauce. I'm gonna read out the ingredients. Tomatoes, mascarpone cheese, tomato paste, extra virgin olive oil, onions, carrots, sea salt, basil, and black pepper. And of course, we're gonna use Rao's pasta. Alright guys, this smells delicious. Let's test out Whole Foods tomato and mascarpone cheese pasta sauce. It's going for the first bite. There it is. It's very good. Ooh, I can taste the cheese. Oh wow, it's delicious. If you like heavy sauces like I do, I love heavy sauces. This is the sauce for you. Oh, you can taste the cheese. Oh, it's so good. It's so creamy, so cheesy. Oh, this is an amazing pasta sauce. Wow. I was just walking around Whole Foods and I just happened to catch it. I always check my pizza pasta sections, and wow, I had to pick it up. I looked at it, I said, this looks like a delicious pasta sauce. If you like creamy sauces, get yourself one of these because it's really good. This pasta sauce is 10 out of 10. 5 out of 5, whatever you want to rate it. Honestly, you don't have to add anything to this sauce. I added a little bit of cheese, but that was about it. Honestly, I didn't even have to do that. That's how good this sauce is. You can use it as is. I'm gonna finish this up, get back into the house. It's getting real hot. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.